Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Ticketmaster app login not working issue. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up your Ticketmaster app, click on the next button and tap on sign in. So in order to fix your problem, first of all check if your internet connection is stable or not. And if internet is not the problem, then you can enter your email or username that you had used while creating an account. If it still doesn't work, then recheck your email or username that you had entered. Again, if it still doesn't help, then go to Settings app on your phone in order to check if your app is up to date or not. Now click on System Apps Updater. Here you can see that all the apps are up to date. If it isn't the problem, then go back, scroll down your screen and go to Apps option. Click on Manage Apps and search for Ticketmaster app. Now go to Storage option and click on the eraser icon that says Clear Data. Here click on Clear All Data option and tap on OK button. Once you do that, try again and log in. And that is how you can fix Ticketmaster app login not working issue. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.